హలో! హాయ్ నమస్తే. కరెంట్‌లీ మనమున్నాము శ్రీ చైతన్య నీట్ కోచింగ్ క్యాంపస్. అయితే ఇక్కడ స్టూడెంట్స్‌తో మాట్లాడి ఫ్యాకల్టీ నుంచి వీళ్ళకి స్టడీస్‌లో ఎలాంటి సపోర్ట్ ఒస్తోంది? అండ్ ఎలాంటి ప్యాటర్న్ వీళ్ళు మెయింటైన్ చేస్తున్నారిక్కడ అనే దాని గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం.
Hi everyone, I'm Eva Amoga Patasi and I study in Sri Chaitanya. Since biology is a crucial subject for NEET, the faculty here gives it special focus. They mainly use NCERT textbook as a base and also explain each and every line clearly. They give us mnemonics and notes which are more than sufficient for NEET examination. They easily help us study to target for 360 in NEET exam. They also focus on important diagrams, keywords, and also they help us to ask frequent questions. When we see the paper, we'll be able to answer them easily. Regular revision sessions and tests ensure that whatever is being learnt by us is revised again and again. Because of this, concepts are written in our brain for much longer time. Also, with this kind of teaching, biology has been much easier and more confident for me.